SpaceX is ready to stun the world again with its Starship rocket system, preparing for its next major test flight from the Starbase facility in Texas. Scheduled for Tuesday, this ambitious mission aims to showcase the reusability of the powerful Super Heavy booster and the Starship spacecraft, bringing Elon Musk's vision for Mars colonization one step closer. The Starship system, towering nearly 400 feet, is set to launch during a 30-minute window, starting at 5 p.m. ET. Once the countdown hits zero, the Super Heavy booster will ignite its 33 Raptor engines, propelling the Starship into space. Shortly after separation, the booster will execute a precision maneuver, steering itself back toward the launch pad. Using giant robotic arms, nicknamed Mechazilla, SpaceX will attempt to catch the booster mid-air, a critical step in creating a fully reusable rocket system. This mission also holds immense significance for NASA's Artemis program. The upper stage of the Starship will play a pivotal role in future lunar missions, acting as a lander to transport astronauts to the Moon's surface. Success in these test flights could pave the way for SpaceX to contribute to NASA's goal of returning humans to the Moon by 2026. SpaceX has addressed challenges from previous tests, including upgrading the spacecraft's heat shield and refining its landing systems. Elon Musk recently revealed that over 12,000 hours were dedicated to enhancing the thermal protection tiles, ensuring the spacecraft can withstand the intense heat of re-entry. If successful, this mission will mark a milestone in SpaceX's journey toward making space travel more affordable and efficient. The company also plans to test in-orbit refueling, which will be essential for extended missions, including trips to Mars. With billions of dollars in government contracts and a clear vision for humanity's future in space, SpaceX continues to push the boundaries of innovation. All eyes are now on Tuesday's test flight, as the Starship takes another bold leap toward redefining space exploration.